Hi folks, how are you? We are going to do another unboxing or un-t-shirting.
Un-t-shirting. We're doing an un-t-shirting. I hope everybody has been having a good weekend. We know they're having storms in other places, and I'm praying for y'all, I really am. I hope the storms stay away from us. I got enough on my plate right now. Story time later. Anywho, this is another 15 pieces from the 100-pound American Thrift Supply Spring and Summer t-shirt box. Yes. And we still have more. I mean, wow. I can't wait to get a total on how many were actually in the box. I'm just gonna try my best to do a jewelry for you either tomorrow or tonight and put it on tomorrow. We'll figure it out. Okay, let's see. Purple. Team Awesome is walking to end Alzheimer's. That's a good shirt. Let's see, it is Delta Pro Weight, size XL. And on the back, it says, I'll let y'all read it. Team Awesome, Limestone, Morgan County, walk to end Alzheimer's. Okay. Next, we have Destin, Florida t-shirt. Gildan, size XL. A souvenir t-shirt, I'm sure. It's brand new. Yeah. Amazing. Okay. This has no tag. No tag. And it's like a two-tone pink shirt with little specks in it. Pre-owned, I'm sure. Not in bad condition though. And of course it is a V-neck. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this feels new. Shine, however you say that. Size medium. Stretchy shirt. Put everything aside. Put everything, dream always, aside happy. I don't know what that's. Put everything aside, happy, dream always. Okay? I guess it's a half and half shirt.
Two-tone.
Yeah, two-tone. With two different sayings, one on each left and right of the. This is pretty though. Feels brand new. Okay. Let's see. This is Phantom of Broadway, size XL. That's a big one. And it says New York, New York. So that's another souvenir t-shirt, I'm sure. It's like a lot of people buy souvenir t-shirts and it looks like they don't wear them and eventually they donate them. They just got them as souvenirs. This is Shine 2, size large. I like this. That's a nice tie-dye. That is a nice shirt. Yeah, I like that a lot. Let's see, we got an army fatigue one, guys. And this is Anvil. And it says, surviving for a cure cancer. Liberty Community Living Center, Wilk a Meat Relay for Life. April 15th, 2011. What are you doing to that poor dog? This is XL. Yeah, XL. Okay. Next, we got a blue one, and it's LAT. I've never heard of that. It's a size XL. It says Grand Canyon. Wow. That's cool. That's a nice shirt. Green. Let's see. This is a large. It's a Gildan. It says magically delicious. Must be a t-shirt from my favorite cereal. Yep, Lucky Charm. Okay. Very thin t-shirt here. Very lightweight. Love and Sports. And that is the brand name of the shirt, and it's a large 12 to 14. Probably a halter or bikini cover-up, maybe, when you go to the beach.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got another one here that looks tie-dyed. And that is XL color tone. And that's that tag. Red, white, and blue, and it says Break a Bin General Store. Break a Bin General Store, New York. Cammy probably knows who that is. Cammy from Cammy's Craftiques. If you don't know who she is, go check her out. She's a good YouTuber. Next level, size medium large, and it says, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. And yes, that is a little bit pre-owned, kind of, I forgot what you call them things. Kind of has a little bit of fuzzy wuzzies on it. Alrighty. And we have a gray one. And that is Delta Tri-Blend. And that is an XL. And it says, Feel Better. And on the back it says, something chiropractic. Used, but in very good condition. Okay. Black. Ava and Viv. Size 4X, guys. 4X. This is a nice shirt, though. It's lightweight, too. Nice for spring. Even nicer for summer. Okay. And last but not least, we have another purple Gildan. And that is a XL. And it says Doghouse. That's cool. Okay, guys, that was our 15 out of the box. And we still got quite a few left to do. I'm amazed. But we're going to do some other things too. So, story time. We have a whole bunch of things to do tomorrow. First of all, the car that we had bought when we moved down here, we had gotten a recall that never got fixed in the mail. And they gave us an appointment to come in. And it was an hour and a half away. And, excuse me. They gave us an appointment for Saturday, and they closed at 1 o'clock on Saturday. So we drove all the way down there, and then they found out there was a grocery list of recalls that were never taken care of. So we have to go back. And they said they already have 115 cars out back that have to get these recalls done. I have got to have a rental car. I can't just leave my car there an hour and a half away, especially now things are going on with Bert medically. I gotta have a car, and obviously I can't afford to buy another one right now. So I'm gonna try to call the home office or the what do you call it? The customer service for Kia, and I'm gonna tell them that I've got to have a rental. They said they don't have any rentals because of how many recall cars they got in the back, you know, but maybe these people have family here and, you know, they can get a ride from somebody that, you know, we don't. We have our son, but he's got epilepsy. He can't even drive. And his wife drives, but, you know, we can't expect her to take us everywhere either. And Bert had to go in and get an EKG Friday. And I don't know if I told you about this. I know I put something on a post. But he went to go visit the doctor. They gave him the EKG and they gave him some other tests. And the EKG came back with sinus bradycardia, I think it was, with intraventricular, let's see, what does that say? Intraventricular conduction delays. So we have to find out from his doctor tomorrow how we're going to handle all this. So we're kind of at a standstill right now with that. The recall on our car is a big one. I mean, it is a danger. So I don't know how you know, decipher with it, because with what's going on with Bert right now, his is a danger, and then we got this car we have to drive, and it's a danger too. So this is going to be I just don't know. But anyway, if you look on YouTube, there's some videos of Kia Sorentos. and I think it's 2011 to 2014 that are being recalled for, it's some kind of fault, and it needs new software, and there's some kind of, all I know is these people heard a click, and the next thing they knew, their whole front end was on fire. And they have videos about some of them online. So, you know, you can check that out. That was interesting. One guy had a baby in the car, and one woman had 5 kids in the car, and I'm like, oh my goodness. But anyway, we didn't know about that when we bought this car. But you always find something out later, don't you? And we love the car. We just put new tires on it and gave it a tune-up. With money we really don't have, but we did it because we had to get it done. And then we find this out. But anyway, back to what I was saying about Bert. His EKG came back. Sinus bradycardia, moderate intraventricular conduction delay. And from what I'm reading about it, he may need a pacemaker or a stent or both, which is crazy because my niece's husband just went through all that, and they ended up having to do open heart surgery on him. Yeah. But, and he's got a low red cell count and, you know, other things going on too. So, in the morning tomorrow, my morning's going to be filled with phone calls, I can tell. So that's going to be the first thing, because I got to find out what we have to do about all this. Other than that, guys, our days are just full of doctor's appointments. I still need to go get an MRI Tuesday. I have to drive up for that. My mammo's due, but they didn't give me an appointment for that till April, thank you God. But there was something else I had to go for. Oh, and I have an appointment with the pain doctor on Tuesday. That might have to wait, depending on what's going on with Bert. Trying to think of anything else. Let me think. Jamie, aka the bag lady, is putting together a box for me. We decided, you know, since I have absolutely no luck selling purses, and I had some nice purses, I asked her if she wanted to trade for some items that she has that are not purses. And we decided to do that. So I think she's gonna do a video online about the purses she got. So don't forget to go watch her channel, aka the bag lady. Okay, I'll put her up here somewhere. And then I'm going to try to do the jewelry thing. I'll try to tape it tonight because I don't know what's going to happen in the morning. I got to get a hold of the doctors and everything. So I'd rather get it tonight if I can. If not, I'll try my best for tomorrow. But that is all that's cooking right about now. It's all that's cooking. Not much. However, I have become an Amazon affiliate, which means I am going to put a link in my description box that it's a newer link. And if y'all gonna shop at Amazon, I would appreciate it if you go through that link. I'll try to remember to put it in every video. And I don't know, you get paid a little bit here and there. I don't know what it is, but every little bit is gonna help me, I can tell you. Especially now. So yeah, and also I have a discount code in the box down there for American Thrift Supply. And you can use that on anything on their site, I believe. I don't remember how much the discount is, and if it don't work, please let me know. That one I don't get nothing for, but I like American Thrift Supply, so I had asked them before to give me a code for all you guys. So anyway, let's see. That's about it. We're just kind of sitting around and wondering about tomorrow. And wondering about our car. And we appreciate any prayers that while we're driving, this sucker don't go up in flames, okay? I love all you guys. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, hit the bell next to subscribe so you will get all our videos. We love you once again. We will be back hopefully tomorrow with a jewelry. And I think I even may have one for my other channel, Dear RV Butterfly. We'll see. Love y'all. Catch you later.